अरे अरे।
So we will be having conversation between Anju and Renu. Okay, let's start.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, Anju. How are you?
I am fine, Renu. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. What are you doing?
As usual, I am doing my home chore. Nothing special.
Okay. As you know that my sister-in-law's marriage around the corner, so I have go to market today. Will you come with me?
No, actually, Diksha is not well, so I can't come with you. Because my in-law is not here, and my husband also has gone office, and I can't Diksha alone at my house, so
Okay.
I can't with you.
Okay. But uh, marriage is around the corner, so and I don't have enough time.
Yeah,
Uh,
I know.
and yeah, it's
As,
important for me to go.
yeah, I know,
Because,
Renu, but Diksha is not well because she has a cough and cold. Therefore, she
yes,
couldn't go to school today. So, I can't come with you. Uh,
yeah. Don't worry, don't worry. I will go to with my husband because I got stitched. I got my blouse stitched, so I will have to go there. But it will be
okay.
better. Will you come with me?
Yeah, Renu, I know. I definitely come with you. If Diksha is well, but she is not well, so I can't come with you. Uh, why not why not do one thing, Renu?
Why?
After 3 days, we will go to the market and whatever shopping you have to do, and then do it.
Yeah, it will be better. It's okay.
Okay. Okay. So if you going to the market, Renu, so you can do some work for me.
Yes.
Can you
Tell.
do? If you are going to market, can you do something for
Can
me?
you?
Hmm. Or whatever
Yes,
work
Can
yes.
you
you?
want. Yes.
Tell me what we have to do.
Actually, I have run out some fruits in my house. Can you buy some for me? And then you will give fruits. I will payment.
Yeah, of course. I will give you from come back from the market and okay, you take care of Diksha and
Thank you.
see you again. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
So in this conversation, we have some small errors. ठीक है? Like आपने बोला था, रेनू, I have go to market. I have to go to market. ठीक है? मुझे
Yes,
जाना है. I have to go to
Janu, I have to go
market.
to
एक्सक्यूज मी
market.
मैम, एक्सक्यूज मी
Yes.
मैम।
हम्म.
मैम यहाँ पे ये भी तो यूज कर सकते हैं, आई हैड गो टू मार्केट, मुझे जाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट इनफ
I
टाइम।
will have to go to
नहीं,
market.
I had तो पास्ट के लिए यूज होगा. I had यानी कि मुझे
मैम
जाना पड़ा.
पढ़ा। अच्छा
I
मैम,
have
अच्छा
to
आई
go
विल,
to.
आई विल।
अगर आपको बोलना है मुझे
हाँ तो
जाना पड़ेगा तो आप बोलोगे
जाना
I will
पड़ेगा।
have to.
Must
आई
I
go to
will have
market.
to
गो टू
go to
मार्केट,
market. ठीक है? मुझे
हैव
मार्केट
टू गो
जाना
टू
पड़ेगा.
मार्केट,
अगर आप had बोल रहे हो तो
जाना
मुझे
पड़ेगा
जाना पड़ा. पास्ट की बात है
पास्ट
तो.
के लिए।
ठीक है?
या
और इसमें एक
या
सेंटेंस क्या था कि मैंने अपना एक ब्लाउज सिलवाया है. तो ये कौन सा सेंटेंस है हमारा? ये हमारा पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है ना?
Positive.
इसमें
Ma'am,
हम खुद
I
काम नहीं
got
कर
my
रहे.
blouse stitched.
हाँ, मैंने अपना एक ब्लाउज
What?
सिलवाया यानी कि आई गॉट माई ब्लाउज
My blouse
स्टिच.
stitched.
लेकिन मैंने
स्टिच्ड।
अपना एक ब्लाउज सिलवाया है, तो ये कौन सा टेंस है हमारा?
Ma'am,
ये हमारा हो गया
मैम
परफेक्ट टेंस, है ना?
present perfect.
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
अब बोलो रेनू, अब क्या होगा यहाँ पे?
I
आई
have
हैव
stitched.
गॉट.
I have got
आई हैव गॉट माई ब्लाउज
my
स्टिच्ड.
blouse
ठीक है?
stitched.
मैंने अपना
Yes,
ब्लाउज सिलवाया है, इसलिए मुझे वहां पर
सिलवाया।
जाना जरूरी है. ठीक है?
ma'am.
वो ये शॉप 10 दिन के लिए बंद रहेगी, इसको कैसे बोलेंगे?
Ma'am, that shop will be
The shop
closed
will be
next 10 days.
after.
यस 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 ओके। अच्छा अंजू, लास्ट में तुमने क्या?
No.
नहीं, 2-3 days.
यस, रिपीट दिस लाइन, फिर से रिपीट करो।
Can we will go to the market for 2 to 3 days?
कैन वी विल नहीं हो सकता, कैन वी गो, ठीक है, क्या हम जा सकते हैं? कैन वी गो टू द मार्केट आफ्टर सम डेज और आफ्टर 2-3 days?
2-3
ओके, देन यू कैन बाय एनीथिंग वट एवर यू वॉन्ट, ठीक है, तब तुम कुछ भी खरीद सकती हो जो भी तुम चाहती हो, ठीक है। कैन और विल एक साथ नहीं आएगा। सो दीज वर स्मॉल एरर्स, बाकी सब ठीक